Okay, Virgo, September 16th, October 30th, tourmaline, virgin, number 8, Mercury, Quicksilver, hematite, sapphire, lungs, thyroid, and Wednesday. Don't be a dick. Virgin. Jokes. Okay. Messages for Virgin. Messages for Virgo. Messages for... Oh my gosh. Go off. Don't be crying. If you've lost somebody, or if you're worried that they took off on you because you didn't want to put out, or if you're worried that you were put in a situation to make yourself a certain way, or whatever, don't. That's like just the step before betrayal. Just be glad that you stood for yourself. And if somebody walked away, fuck them. Fuck that noise, okay? If you recently lost somebody, I'm very sorry. Or if you lost a child, I'm very sorry. Please know, death is not the end, in my opinion. Judgment. Don't worry about people judging you, okay? Don't worry about people judging you. You worry about yourself. Look at that. You have gifts. Many gifts, okay? Keep your chin up, posture. Hold your head up high. If this is you judging others, just be careful with that. Because we also got Mercury. You know, that can come back on you. If there's a family asking for your help, or you want to help others, or call judgment in the favor of others, you can do that. Just make sure you're okay yourself first. If you stand for community and you want to help the community, do so. If your words are quick, maybe try to slow down your speech a little bit. I know I've had to do that myself. Sometimes slowing down your words to give it the emphasis and more meaning, and also to articulate so that other people can catch up with you and your fast-moving brain is okay. Sometimes it's okay. What else we got for Virgo? Don't be the Hierophant in reverse, though. That one wanted to come out. Hierophant in reverse, meaning that your traumas, especially from childhood or anything like that, are not healed, so you're using your gifts for not so good. Judgment on people for not so good. Remember, you can ruin people's lives doing that. If those people have harmed you in some way and you're calling judgment and you were given that gift and you're doing it for good reason and you're not doing it out of unhealed wounds, you're doing it to stand ground, to help others and help community, that's okay. Virgo, remember to discern the difference between the two. Okay, gifts. Gifts. Something given to you. You got a golden fish. That could be memory. Memories coming back. Some good memories. Childhood memories. Good ones to help you out. Your roots. You've got room for love here. Your crown chakra's on. Like, lit. It's just gleaming. Use your gifts for good. You almost seem shocked. But at the same time, you know better. Don't just be passive. Don't dismiss shit, okay? Just because. Just be like, yeah, what else is new? Well, come on. Sometimes there's more to it. There's more to the lesson. Especially when it comes to the 10 of Cups. You want to share with people. Maybe they told you something and you're just like, yeah, so? Remember? Even though you may already know, they may just be learning. They may be new at this. Maybe they're just new on their journey, just fresh. Okay? But you don't have to be bound to anything. If you're not used to commitments, you know, sometimes it requires some work. If you're not working right now, maybe you will be getting something new. Look on the bright side of it. Stay positive. Okay, this one wanted to pop out. Betrayal in reverse, so you can trust. Have faith in yourself, trust yourself, love yourself enough to trust your intuition. It doesn't look like you're being put in any jeopardy right now. Stay calm. You can kick ass with love too. Disorder. Want of order. Okay, so you want to be in control. Confusion or disease. If you're sick right now, make sure you're taking the time to heal. If other people are sick, keep your distance. If you're confused, just remember to trust your intuition, to put out of order, to disturb, to produce, indisposition, to craze. If you're causing disturbances in others, please make sure that you're going to be responsible for that coming back to you, okay? So like if you're purposely stirring the pot, or if you're starting fights or something, that means that you're not healed. To siphon. If you are sucking the life out of another human being, to siphon. A bent tube used for drawing off liquids as from a cask. If you're drinking too much, take it easy. Just remember, I think it's 3 days or something like that. Give yourself 3 days to sober up. You get your connection back much better than when you're intoxicated, because other entities, because it's a spirit, other entities can play around with you. Like children, they can play with you and they can cause confusion. To piece together. Okay, piece. A portion of anything, a distinct part. Like I said, maybe you're getting some positive memories coming back to you. Composition or writing. Maybe you're starting to write or journal, or maybe you're composing music. Something short and sweet, of no great length, separate, performance, a picture, a coin, a single firearm. All right. Protect yourself is good. Do not harm others. Do no harm, but take no shit, right? A picture. Maybe you're looking through old pictures. Maybe you collect coins, or maybe you found a coin. Find a penny, pick it up. To patch, to join, to unite or join. Maybe you're what do you call that? Maybe you're joining a club, or maybe you got to be careful of the club that you're joining, but it's silver, so maybe this is something positive. Maybe it's a group to help elevate yourself, or maybe you are getting back in touch with somebody. Corn. You eating corn? Humor. Moisture. Or moist matter. Literally, it says humor. Moisture or moist matter. Maybe you have to drink fluid matter in an animal body, not blood. So the fluid. Disposition. Mood. A caprice, jocularity, a quality akin to wit, depending for. Don't be too. What do you call that? You know, sarcasm. Depending for its effect, less on point or brilliancy of expression. To comply with inclination of, to soothe by compliance, or to indulge. Again, with the drinking or indulging in something that's too heavy, be careful with that. Anything that's going to prevent your connection with source or your proper judgment in things. Even if somebody doesn't come save your ass, you could have just avoided a catastrophe. Yeah, you could have avoided being stabbed in the back. Could have been family. If your family's coming at you, give yourself distance. Know better. Use your intuition. Best judgment. One more card, please, for Virgo. Seeing 6 a lot. 4 of clubs in reverse. Maybe you're battling it out with another person right now in a home. 1 rune for Virgo. Fehu. I think that's cattle. Maybe you feel like you're being treated like cattle, or maybe you own a farm. Maybe you want to own a farm. Fehu. Look it up. If you don't know your runes, don't let the fears get in the way. Hopefully that helps.